Okay, this is how I do installation for the 32-inch Enviropro sensor, and right now I'm doing this in lemons. And what I do is I find an area relatively within 12 inches from the sprinkler. Find my area and I take my 4-inch auger and I start digging a hole. And what I do is I take the dirt and put the dirt right on that pad so I can keep it separate from all the other mess. And I'll get started on this and I'll show you another video in a minute. Okay, so what I did was I dug about a foot down with the 4-inch auger. I put all the dirt on this little floor mat, so I'm keeping it separate. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the 2-inch auger and I put it right in the middle and I start digging straight down. And when I get to about where that red line is, where I measured about to be 32 inches, I check and I use the sensor and I calculate to see how much further I have to go. But I'll get started on this and I'll show you the next video. Also, when I'm digging with this skinny auger, I take the dirt and I put it in my bucket. So right from here, I go straight to the bucket, and then I'll show you what I do with that next. So as you can see, I'm starting to make my little hole, my 2-inch diameter hole, and this is what the dirt comes out. What I do is I pretty much put it in the bucket, and there's the start of what the hole looks like. So you see I still have some room, and that gives me, when I do the 4-inch, it makes it easier for the 2-inch to kind of find its groove without, in case it might hit a rock or root. But yep, so the dirt's right there and I'm gonna keep digging. Okay, so I have my hole dug, and basically just right underneath that red mark, I could probably move that up a little bit, but take it out, take the Enviropro, drop it in. It's right at ground level. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the dirt that I took out, keeping that dirt separate. I take the dirt, add a bunch of water. What I do is I take my little cement mixer and just turn up. You want to get real soupy, so it's really soupy, so it really gets down in there. Okay. Now I can add a little bit more water, actually. I want it extra soupy. Okay. So now, go to the hole, and I just and that is what it should look like. The reason why I do this, I pump like this and work it all the way down so the whole sensor is contacted and stuck right there in the middle. Now what I do is take the dirt I saved and just bring it in. Okay, that's what it looks like. One more step. One last step just to make sure that everything gets compacted and back all the mud around it. I take this and really just compact the dirt around as much as possible, because I got that left over and I'm gonna pile it right on top. So this is the final product. Can't see the top. I'm close to the sprinkler head, and then there's my logger, and that's it. All the dirt's gone, water's gone, and all the mud. And there you go. Installation done.